Good morning, my dear friends and lovers of biology. This is your 10th session in the series of virtual class of class 9. My dear, you know that your topic become fundamental units of life. Under fundamental units of life, today I discuss a very important topic, that is mitochondria. That is mitochondria. My dear, you know that various cell organelles within a cell, they perform various activity to achieve a various activity of life. So what is the activity? What is the function of mitochondria? How mitochondria work? What is the shape of mitochondria? So many questions you have. First of all, rod shaped structure. Rod shaped structure having two membrane covering, outer porous, inner deeply folded. Having on DNA and ribosome. Mitochondria have rod-shaped structure having two membrane covering. That means mitochondria have double membrane covering organelles. Outer membrane is porous and inner membrane is deeply folded. Third thing, they have on DNA and ribosome. You write now. Energy is stored in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. That is used for various purposes. Energy is stored in the form of ATP, in an adenosine triphosphate, that is used for various purposes. So ATP is also known as energy currency of cell. You know each and every line by sequential manner, and you write in your notes copy. My dear friends, you know that first line of mitochondria is rod shaped, just like rod. They are membrane bonded structure. So outer membrane is deeply porous and inner membrane is deeply folded. Mitochondria is just those type of organelles they have on DNA and ribosome. During activities of life, mitochondria provide energy in the form of ATP that is adenosine triphosphate, that is used for various purpose. So mitochondria is known as energy currency of cell. Thanks you guys. My next topic is, my dear students, vacuole. That is storehouse. In the case of animal, vacuole become small in size. In the case of animal, vacuole become small in size. Just like a small, show many number. Many in number. In plant. In plant, large in size. So large in size, they are only one in number. So in the case of plant, vacuole occupies 50 to 90% of space. Another thing, vacuole is also known as a storage sacks for solid and liquid contents. So what solid and liquid contents? That is amino acid, protein, enzyme, etc. In a case of unicellular organism, that is amoeba, vacuole act as food vacuum. So this is your comments upon vacuole. In the key vacuoles, first of all, vacuole have a small size, many number. So in the case of animal, vacuole have very small, so you cannot justify with the help of, without help of microscope. Even you be not considered in the case of animal, but in the case of plant, you also considered. We always considered vacuole have large in size, so only one in number. So they have occupy 50 to 90% space. That have a storage sac for solid or liquid contents. On that solid and liquid contents, they provide amino acid. They have amino acid, protein, and energy. In amoeba, it acts as food vacuole. On the basis of a storage sac, they vacuole provide in the case of plant, turgidity and liquid. Right now, students, I meet you in next session in the series of virtual class. So you write and read sequentially. Okay, thanks.